Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is January 31st and I'm using my new Pip Sniper trading system. It's the one that has momentum here. It'll give you an audio sound and a pop-up box like right here, suggesting whether it's going to go cross up or cross down alert. And the other alert within this box is a super signal indicator. Now this really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the markets. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5 minutes, either 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Now you can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now there is truly 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. Keep in mind you must demo trade until you are very good in a demo account before you trade live. You need a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And of course you need a daily trade plan. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer. I try to find trades between 6 and 8 or 9, and then of course between 9 and 10. I'm continuing to manage my trades, closing the trades, and I'm done trading. Today was a quick day of trading as I got into trades around 7:30, and this one was closer to 8:30 right here. 8:23, and I closed them all out roughly the same time, 8:31 and 8:32. So I wasn't in the trade that long today, and as I'm doing this video, it's not even 9 o'clock in the morning. I may trade a little bit more after the opening bell because these futures indices will continue to move for many more hours. So depending on how I feel, I may put in more trades. I've been trying to speed up the length of the videos. Some of them used to be around 25 minutes. I'm trying to keep it closer to 10 minutes. And due to the fact that YouTube, the activity has slowed down considerably, so instead of doing 5 videos a week, even though I'm more than likely trading 5 days a week, I'll probably do 2 or 3 videos a week. But that just goes on a daily situation depending on how I feel. So now, like I said, 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm looking at all the instruments. I'm checking out the daily trade plan. Let's take a look at it. Here it is here. Now this is an expert advisor that runs in real time, and it can easily change from bearish to bullish I'm a day trader, and the settings are set so that when it changes direction, this will change relatively quickly based on the 30 minutes, 1 hour, and the 4 hours. So the ones I traded today were from the oil down. It's definitely bullish, so we're buying. And remember, the smaller time frames like the 30 minutes and the 1 hour will help to build the higher time frame. So if this keeps going up, this daily here will eventually go from down to up. So now we can get into these trades. Let's run a check on it. Here's the arrow, and I teach how to trade this way, even though it looks like the trend is down. But if you have enough room and you see that that it's going to do a pullback from here to here is a pullback, and of course after that is just a complete reversal. So on this gold trade, I waited till things lined up, and it looked really good at this point right here. Actually, right about here would have been okay. But let's see, gold, looking at the money, it does pay $10 on each tick, so this should be 51. So measuring from here to here, it should be 51. There it is there. It's actually 51.1. But anyhow, let's just go with the 51 times the money times the lots. Paid out $5,110. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Same idea as the gold. It did a pullback, breakthrough, and it kept going. Let's see where I got in at. As I mentioned before, around the goal line would have been better. And this is where I caught it at the goal line. A couple of candles after the super signal. Here would have been much better. I would have got about 59 or 60 ticks more to the good. And just to let you know, the S&P 500 pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided it by 5. And calculator says 120 ticks. So let's see if I can find that 120. There, well, looks like that's as close as I'm going to be able to get unless I drop it down to the 5 minutes. If I was still in the trade, I'd be well over 230. But as I mentioned, 120. Well, that's as close as I'm going to get. So it is 120 ticks times the money times the lots. Paid out $6,000. Same thing can be said for the Dow Jones. Pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says 122. Let's just see. If I was still in the trade, I'd be up over 200. Almost double. But 122. And another one that's, oh, I got it on this time. Right on, actually. So it's 122 times the money times the lots, paid out $6,100. Moving on to the Russell. Russell pays $10. So looking at the money, this should be 74. Let's see now where I got in at. Another one. So remember, from here to there is a pullback. Past that is a complete reversal. And by the time it gets to this point, the daily trade plan was saying to buy. So that's exactly what I did. So the difference from here to there is about 40 or 41. But this is where I saw it. This is where I got in at. And as I said, the calculator says it should be 74. There it is right there, 74. You remove the last digit. So 74 times the money and the lots, paid out $7,400. Moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Looking at the money, and I did use a calculator, it was very, very close to 50, 49.9 actually. But let's see. Got in again, around the same area, right on the goal line. Would have been better here, 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 but not a big deal. So should be very, very close to 50. That's close enough. Let's just round it out to 50. You remove the last 2 digits, and those 50 ticks ended up paying out $9,980. So another great day of trading. I just added up all the ticks, and I knew it was going to be more than 300. Total came to 417, and those 417 ticks paid out $34,590. So if you have any questions, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me, and if you look right below this video, you will get my contact information. You can either call me directly, you can email me, and of course you can also Skype me, which is what I prefer, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks, and keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, and if you also look right below this video, you will see 4 different packages. I recommend you get all 4 of them, and I do have a special running at this point in time. If you buy any 2, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So, looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.